Hello and welcome to today's tutorial for the ATIA 2026 virtual event free bundle. I have the page up on my internet browser, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can kind of see the full information. You can always access the free bundle by going to atia.org/free bundle. And this page is where all of the information can be found. If you haven't registered yet, you can scroll down a little bit and click this blue Add to Cart button. You may get a pop-up that said the site uses cookies to store information. Please agree and dismiss. If the cookies are not enabled, the site may not function properly. So please make sure all of your cookies are enabled when you're utilizing the ATIA Learning Center. So I'm going to click Proceed to Checkout, which it'll prompt me to log in. If for some reason you have an account and you forgot your password, you can always click this Forgot Password button here. Or you can sign up by completing a very short form or simply logging in. So I'm going to log in with my account. It takes me straight to my cart with the free bundle. It is free, although you will need to complete purchasing for free this bundle to access the items. So it is free. The item price is $0. I am going to click this blue purchase price for the order to process. All right, it shows my receipt. And now I can go to, by clicking on my name at the top right of the page, I can go to my purchases to see my different purchases. And then my activity will show up here as well. So I'm going to click on the virtual event free bundle to kind of get back to that page. And here I will walk you through how to navigate. So the free virtual bundle includes over 40 free recorded sessions that are either taking place at ATIA 2026 at the end of January, and we have 5 assistive wear sponsored pre-recorded sessions that will be available the week of ATIA 2026. So if you have some downtime on Thursday or Friday between sessions, you can absolutely access those assistive wear pre-recorded sessions. So as I mentioned, the live stream sessions will be taking place January 29th and 30th live from Orlando. By early to mid-February, we will have all of the free recorded sessions available for viewing. They will have a little check mark icon after the title once the recordings are posted, so you can see kind of at a glance which recordings are available when you go to this page. And then April 30th is the deadline to watch all virtual event content and claim your CEUs. Full information can be found on the virtual event CEU information page, including how to claim. So you can just click this link towards the top of the page and it'll give you more information. In addition, we do have a Get Ready for the ATIA 2026 tips and tricks link above the live stream schedule here. Feel free to click on that. This video will be posted there as well, but there's some other tips and tricks should you like to reference that. So continuing to scroll down, we have our live stream sessions. If you click on any of these plus sign buttons, it will expand. And so Thursday, we have a full afternoon of sessions. You can either click on any of these session titles to see the full information, or if you're ready to join the live stream, you can just click this Join the Live Stream Here button after each of the session titles, and that will take you straight to joining the live stream. So we have Thursday scheduled here, and then a full day on Friday, including kind of the highlight session and the 2026 Prentke AAC Distinguished Lecture. It's always a highlight of the event, so please join us for the Prentke AAC Lecture. Continuing to scroll down, we have a slew of free member session recordings that will be available in early February. Each of the titles are listed here. And as I said, there will be a little check mark towards or after each title once the recordings are posted. They are listed by sponsor. And then after that, we have kind of individual sessions listed. This is where the Prentke lecture recording will live as well. And this year, we also have a link to our exhibitor product demo center sessions. These will be over 20 different recordings of 20-minute demos that take place in Orlando. So those should also be up by mid-February. If you want to take a look, if you weren't able to obviously go walk around the exhibit hall, these are a great place to start. And so, as I mentioned, all 5 of these pre-recorded sessions by AssistiveWare will be posted the last week of January. So those will all be available to watch on demand whenever you are ready to. So as an example, I'm just going to click on one of these sessions. And if you click on any of the titles, the full session information listing will come up. So the code and title, you can always get back to kind of the free virtual bundle by clicking on this banner here. The sponsor, a general description and content disclosure, learning objectives are all included, strands, target audience, experience level, primary life cycles addressed, the session delivery format, whether it's live stream or recorded, when it's going to be taking place at ATIA 2026. And then here is your continuing education credits per session. So this session is offered for all 5 CEU types. Then as we continue scrolling, we have the speaker information and any disclosures. And then towards the bottom of the page, we have the live web event that is taking place if it's a live stream session, as well as this is where the recording will be posted once the session takes place. So if you click on the live web event, this is what you will see. And here is where you go to join each live stream session. If you click this blue button here to register, it will add it kind of to your profile for your live web events. And then you can also add it to your personal calendar if you like. You can cancel your registration here if you notice, but this page here will be where you join the live web event on Thursday, 3:30. This profile is in Central Time. It will automatically update depending on what your time zone is in your profile. You can also kind of hover over the time to see the different time zones. And then, as I noted, a button to join will appear 30 minutes before the specified start time. Please be patient. Rooms may not open in Zoom until 10 minutes before the scheduled start time. Many of these sessions are back to back, so we may be coming out of another session. So please just be patient, but you will be able to join by clicking the button here. So I'm just going to go back. And then once you view the live stream session or watch a recording, these session evaluations and CEU assessments will open up. And by clicking on this module here, this is where you will be able to complete any assessments or get a certificate of completion by completing the evaluation. These will not unlock until you either view the recording or view the live stream session. And then in addition, if we receive any handouts or slides, we will post them either above or below the recording link here. They will say handout or slides. So any materials we receive from the speakers will be posted as well at the bottom of this page. So I'm going to go back to the free bundle. For any of the recordings and the free virtual events, for any live stream sessions, we will have an ASL interpreter. Any ASL recordings we get, we will post as well. And then all of our recordings will be captioned. Alternately, you can scroll down and see all of the sessions that are included in the free bundle here as well. And you can just click on any of the titles. So as you're participating in the free virtual event, if you claim any certificates or anything like that at any time, you can click on your name in the top right corner here. That's how you know that you're logged into the ATIA Learning Center. If you don't see your name up here, you will need to log in to access any of the content. So I'm clicking on my name. There are many different things. If you click on the My Live Events tab, you can see any of the live stream sessions that you've signed up for. Here is the AI for Possibility session that we just signed up for, and you can click View this event to go straight to joining the live web event when it's time. I also have my purchases. You can find any of your receipts. Any certificates that are claimed will be found here. You can see I kind of tested one out, so one is listed here. You may need to update the time frame for this year, all time or custom dates. It defaults to the last 30 days, or you can choose any dates by selecting kind of the dates here and then clicking Load Transcript. They'll come up here, and then if you'd like to download a PDF of your full transcript, click this blue PDF button towards the right. Your My Activity tab is where you can find anything that you've purchased, or alternately go kind of to the learning catalog to see anything that you've engaged with. And then settings, here are your general settings if you need to update any of your account details, your email, password, or any payment methods, which are not necessary for the free virtual event. If you are interested in claiming ATIA CEUs, this is very important. Please scroll down and make sure that your ATIA membership number is listed here. To update it, I'm going to leave test in here so I know that this is my test account, but just simply put in your ATIA membership number. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, just as an example. That's obviously not my real ATIA member number. Add that here and then scroll down and click update. This will ensure that all of your ATIA CEUs will be submitted to ATIA and will be tied to your correct learning profile with ATIA. All ATIA CEUs will be reported after April 30th, which is the deadline to claim all CEUs. So with that, thank you for watching this demo. Please let us know if you have any questions. You can reach out to us anytime at learningcenter@atia.org. You can also, if you need any help, click on this little widget at the bottom right. It's a little bot that will take you to plenty of different articles to help kind of with any questions. And if you're still having some issues or need help logging in, it will connect you with a live agent. If we're online and able to assist in real time, we will. Otherwise, we'll respond to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for attending ATIA 2026. See you online.